Dollars a barrel for the first time since May on continued violence in the Middle East and the announcement of more stimulus from the Fed. So how high will it go? That's a big question. Our own Jeff Flock talking to traders in the pits of the CME. Jeff, what are they telling you?
Well, we'll ask somebody who knows in a second here, Ashley, but first, it's not just oil. It's everything over here, almost everything. I'll tell you, just ended in the meat pits. That's one of the areas, the only areas that's not up today. But first, let's throw up oil there. Got over $100 a barrel for the first time in 4 months. And that's not alone, as we said. Gold, platinum, copper, all the precious metals, Larry, are up. Larry Shover, always want to get his take on it. Yeah. First of all, you don't necessarily think this is a good thing, do you?
No, it's not a good thing whatsoever, Jeff. I mean, think about it. I mean, Bernake has made it explicitly clear that he wants to inflate his way out of this problem. That's his method of choice. He doesn't want the economy to heal. He wants to debase the dollar, thus what we're seeing behind us. Everything's rallying.
So these guys are trading this. They may not like this. And walk with me, Larry, as we head over to Eurodollar futures. They may not like this, but they are trading this. Take a look at grains today. That's another one. I mean, we just had a terrible government report that should have driven corn down.
Absolutely.
It's up again.
Yeah, you know, this is what I call a very angry rally, and that's everything behind me. People are just throwing up their hands, realizing the tailwind of the central bank just cannot be underestimated right now.
Before we get away, I want to tell you the only losers out here, and as we do, we'll walk over to Eurodollars. I want to keep my eye on this because the weakened dollar obviously has a huge impact as well. But let's look at what was down today. Only nat gas, and that's because mild weather predicted, and looks like we got more stocks than we thought. Silver also down, some profit taking. And last but not least, as we said, feeder cattle. When the price of feed goes up, the price of meat goes down.
That's right, it sure does, and that's something we're going to have to get used to. I mean, we're going to have food inflation because of this. The dollar's cheaper. It's going to make it really tough. And combine that with the drought and the USDA report, enough said. Buy
commodities, says Larry Shover. Get out of equities, buy commodities. Makes more work for us over here in Chicago.
Yeah, groceries getting expensive.
Pisses off the carnivores, that's for sure, Jeff Flock. Have a great weekend.